My dear students, do you want to tell to your friends about those things which you don't have? My dear students, क्या आप चाहते हैं कि अपने दोस्तों को उन चीज़ों के बारे में बताएं जो आपके पास नहीं है? So how you will say? तो किस तरह कहेंगे आप? No problem. कोई मसला नहीं है. I'm here. Let's start. I will tell you. Okay, you will put the word don't between I have, which will become I don't have. Now what does it mean? आप क्या करेंगे? I have के दरमियान में don't लगाएंगे, जो बन जाएगा क्या? I don't have. इसका मतलब क्या है? कि मेरे पास नहीं है. For example, मेरे पास मोबाइल फ़ोन नहीं है. I don't have a mobile phone. मेरे पास ऐनक नहीं है. I don't have glasses. मेरे पास अलमारी नहीं है. I don't have a cupboard. मेरा भाई नहीं है. I don't have a brother. मेरे पास लंच नहीं है. I don't have lunch. Now it's the time for practice. Because practice makes a person perfect. Are you ready? Okay. I don't have new books. I don't have a lunchbox. I don't have an ice cream. I don't have a ruler. I don't have a table. I don't have socks. Now we have an activity. Wow! Fill the empty clouds by those things which you don't have. Okay, I have also a wonderful task for you. Imagine 30 things which you don't have. Okay, use those things in I don't have sentences. Record that in your mobile phone. Thank you. Hope for the best.